Here is the Eachine EAT10, a ready-to-run four-wheel drive truck that comes in two versions, a brushed and a brushless. It also comes in two colors, yellow and black, and red and black. So let's open this box up and we'll take a look at everything that comes inside. We'll start with the nicely detailed black and white pictured user manual, where you can find a complete parts list to both the brushed and brushless versions. You also get a screwdriver, a cross wrench, a little bag with spare body clips and wheel nuts, a USB charger to charge your 7.4 volt 1200 milliamp hour LiPo battery with a Tamiya plug. Here we have the 2.4 gigahertz controller with a nice foam padded wheel and quite a few options with steering and throttle reverse, steering and throttle rates, and steering trim. And here is the EAT10.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Okay, Brian, we'll pop the hood. That's where we'll find the 380 brushed motor with a heat sink. There's the 25 amp ESC receiver combo and the 9G 5-wire servo. The springs on these shocks are actually kind of firm, and it's not really as bouncy as I was expecting it to be. Almost everything on here is made of plastic. The chassis, the suspension arms, the chassis brace, the shock towers. But there is also metal, the dog bones, the center drive shaft, and even the wheel hubs are metal. But I want to see if the diffs are metal also, so there's only one way to do that. Let's tear this apart. Nope, they're plastic. All right, the battery's charged up and we are ready to run this Eachine EAT10. So they say this is a 1/18 scale, but it looks a little bit smaller than a 1/18. I'd probably put it closer to maybe a 1/20th scale. I do love the looks of it. It does look pretty rad. And yes, I did say rad. But I'm gonna do a couple speed runs and see how fast it goes, because they claim that this brushed version does 35 kilometers per hour, which translated to miles per hour is 21.7. So over here is the power switch. We are fully proportional on the steering and fully proportional on the throttle. And then this does have different rates. It has a steering rate, so I had the steering turned all the way up. You can turn it down if you want less of a turn. Then we have the throttle. You can turn it all the way down. We'll turn the throttle all the way down here. So that is turned all the way down. That is top speed. Let's turn it to 5. Let's see what 5 looks like. Okay, there's 5. Here's the trim. The trim is definitely off on the steering, so I did adjust that. So let's turn this all the way up to 10 and see how fast it is. Whew, that is all the way up, and they're claiming 21 miles an hour. I really don't see that, but we'll find out what it is. Went through the grass pretty good there. We'll see what it is when I put this GoPro on. So that was not all that fast. I don't know where they're getting the claim of 21 miles an hour for this. Maybe if you drove it down the face of the dam, you would probably hit the 21. Well, let's check out the range. That's pretty good range. That's pretty far away. Still no loss of signal or anything. Yeah, wow. That's really good range there. All right, let's take this up in the back there on the trail. Gonna run it on the dirt, see how good it does on that. So it doesn't do too bad on the dirt. Like I said earlier with the springs, it's not too bouncy. Yeah, it does have a little bit of bounciness in it, but for a cheap little budget truck, I would expect it to be bouncing all over the place. It runs pretty good. It has a decent amount of power. It powers through the leaves there. See that? So I am impressed with this little truck for, it's like 33 bucks on Banggood, and I feel is definitely worth the 33 bucks because there is far more crap out there for more, and this is a decent truck. Let's see if I could climb this rock here. I'm trying to get over there and climb that slant there. There we go. Oh. So I'm just gonna run this down until I get the low voltage. Oh. Okay, I just got done filming that montage and I was expecting the battery to die by now, but this 2S LiPo lasts forever in this truck. I easily have 20 minutes of runtime on this thing, easily. I can tell that it is dying a little bit. It's not quite as jumpy when you get on the throttle. We should be seeing low voltage real soon. Oh, there it is. Low voltage. So the Eachine EAT10, not a bad truck for 33 bucks. Highly recommend this. Great beginner truck. I like it. It's gonna be the next RC in the December giveaway. So let's go back and talk about that. So the EAT10 is a pretty good truck for the price, and I'm glad that this is going to be a part of the December giveaway. So how my giveaway works is I'll feature a number of RCs for this month. It's a monthly giveaway. It's not a giveaway for a specific RC, but all the RCs I feature for this month are going to be eligible for somebody to win. So to enter, all you have to do is be a subscriber from the US and then comment down below, and your comment is your entry, but it's only your entry to try and win this. So if you want a chance at this, go ahead and comment below. But if you want a chance at the other RCs that I feature, then go to those videos. I have one more coming after this, but I already did this one. But go to those videos. If you like it, you want a chance to win it, then go ahead and comment on those videos as well. And then January 2nd, I'm gonna do a live drawing. So good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway. Thanks again for everyone who checked this video out, but I can't wait to see who wins the next Ready to Run RC.